In today's competitive job market, being job ready is more critical than ever. It's not just about having the right qualifications. It's about possessing a combination of skills, knowledge, and attributes that make you stand out from the crowd. Being job ready means being prepared for the opportunities that come your way. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up for a marathon without training, would you? The same principle applies to your career. You need to invest time and effort in developing yourself to be ready for the challenges and rewards that lie ahead. Being job ready is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires continuous learning, adaptation, and a willingness to embrace new challenges. By understanding the importance of job readiness, you're already taking the first step towards a successful and fulfilling career. Navigating the job search process can feel like navigating a maze. There are so many twists and turns, and it's easy to get lost along the way. But don't worry. By following some simple do's and don'ts, you can increase your chances of success. Do network with people in your field. Attend industry events, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and reach out to people for informational interviews. Networking is a powerful tool that can open doors to hidden job opportunities. Don't send out generic resumes and cover letters. Take the time to tailor your application materials to each specific job you apply for. Highlight your skills and experience that are most relevant to the position. Do. Practice your interviewing skills. Prepare answers to common interview questions and practice your responses out loud. You can also ask a friend or family member to conduct a mock interview with you. Don't badmouth previous employers or coworkers. Even if you had a negative experience, it's important to remain professional and positive during job interviews. Focus on what you learned from your past experiences and how they have prepared you for future opportunities. The job search process is rarely easy, and it's common to encounter challenges along the way. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Let's look at some real-world examples and how to overcome them. Challenge: lack of experience. Many job seekers, especially recent graduates, struggle with a lack of relevant work experience. One way to overcome this challenge is to gain experience through internships, volunteer work, or freelance projects. Example: Sarah, a recent communications graduate, had no prior experience in public relations. She decided to volunteer at a local nonprofit organization, where she gained valuable experience in writing press releases, managing social media, and organizing events. Challenge: fear of rejection. It's natural to feel afraid of rejection, but don't let it paralyze you. Remember that rejection is a part of the process, and it doesn't define your worth. Example: John, a software developer, applied for numerous jobs but faced multiple rejections. Instead of giving up, he used each rejection as an opportunity to learn and improve. He analyzed the feedback he received and worked on strengthening his skills in areas where he felt less confident. Section 4. Bouncing back, handling rejections and failures. Rejections and failures are an inevitable part of life, and the job search process is no exception. It's important to remember that not every application will result in an interview, and not every interview will lead to a job offer. The key is to develop resilience and learn how to bounce back from setbacks. One of the most important things you can do when facing rejection is to allow yourself to feel your emotions. It's okay to feel disappointed, frustrated, or even angry. Don't try to bottle up your emotions. Instead, acknowledge them and give yourself time to process them. Once you've allowed yourself to feel your emotions, it's time to shift your focus to the future. Don't dwell on the past or let rejection define you. Instead, view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Ask yourself what you can learn from the experience and how you can improve your approach in the future. Remember that rejection is not a sign of failure. It's simply a redirection. It means that this particular opportunity was not the right fit for you, and there is something even better waiting for you. It means that this particular opportunity was not the right fit for you, and there is something even better waiting for you. Staying ahead in the job market requires continuous effort and a proactive approach. It's essential to keep your skills updated and relevant. One way to do this is by taking online courses and attending workshops. These can help you learn new skills and stay current with industry trends. Networking is another crucial aspect. Building and maintaining professional relationships can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Staying informed about industry news and trends is also important. This knowledge can help you anticipate changes and adapt accordingly. Practicing your interview skills and seeking feedback from mentors can significantly improve your chances of landing your desired job. Gaining experience through volunteering or leading projects can also enhance your resume and demonstrate your commitment and leadership abilities. Setting clear career goals and regularly reviewing your progress can keep you focused and motivated. It's important to have a plan and adjust it as needed. Remember, staying ahead in the job market is a continuous journey. Celebrate your achievements and keep striving for excellence. With dedication and the right strategies, you can navigate the job market successfully and achieve your career aspirations. Pause ones. Now that we've covered how to stay ahead in the job market, let's address some frequently asked questions that can help you further in your job search journey. Pause ones. Q1. What are the key skills employers look for? Pause ones. A1. Employers often look for skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, and adaptability. These skills demonstrate that you can work well with others, tackle challenges effectively, and adjust to various situations. Pause twos. Q2. How can you stay updated with industry trends? Pause ones. A2. Staying updated with industry trends can be achieved by following industry news, attending webinars, and participating in professional networks. This will ensure you are aware of the latest developments and can adapt your skills accordingly. Pause twos. Q3. What is the importance of networking? Pause ones. A3. Networking is crucial because it can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights and advice. Building and maintaining professional relationships can significantly impact your career growth. Pause twos. Q4. How should you prepare for an interview? Pause ones. A4. To prepare for an interview, research the company thoroughly, practice common interview questions, and dress appropriately. Being well prepared shows your potential employer that you are serious and committed. Pause twos. Q5. What should you do after an interview? Pause ones. A5. After an interview, send a thank you note to express your appreciation, reflect on your performance to identify areas for improvement, and follow up if you haven't heard back within the expected time frame. Pause twos. We hope these answers help you in your job search journey. Remember, being well prepared and informed can make a significant difference in your success. Good luck, and keep striving for excellence.